Assalamu alaikum. This is Shakil Mansha and you are watching English with Shakil Mansha. Today's video is very important and it's always confusing for students when it comes to apply a suitable preposition while writing more than one object in a sentence. We all know only transitive verbs are the verbs that need objects to complete their meaning, and we have discussed in the previous lectures that objects are of two kinds. One is direct object and the second one is indirect object. There are some verbs like buy or write or give. They are the verbs which need more than one object. More than one object in a sentence. They do need more than one object in a sentence, and such verbs are called ditransitive verb. They are called ditransitive. Di means two, and transitive we have already discussed. We already know that transitive verbs are the verbs that need objects. So di means two. So these verbs need at least two verbs. Now, here the problem lies. When we write more than one objects with these verbs, we have to decide either we'll use this preposition to or we use this preposition for. Okay, make it very clear, make this thing very clear to your mind. We always use to when we give something to someone, and we always use for when we buy something for someone. For example, if I say I gave her money. Okay, now you can say this is a verb and it contains two objects. This is an object and this is an other object. So this verb would be called ditransitive verb, as I have just written here. Now this sentence can also be rewritten by using this preposition. How? Look, I gave money to her. Okay, why this to the preposition is used? Because I am giving this thing to this person. To is used when we give something to someone. This thing, money is given to her. That's why we use this preposition to. In the same manner, for is used when we buy something for someone. For example, let's take this verb. Let me say, my father bought me a car. Okay, we can see this verb is used along with two objects. The first object is me and the second object is a car. So we can say this is a ditransitive verb. But our focus is not this verb. Our focus is how we can rewrite these objects. So a sentence can also be rewritten by using this preposition like my father bought a car for me. Okay, why for is used? Because when we give something to someone, when we buy something for someone, we always use for, and when we give something to someone, we use preposition to. So this sentence can be written by using this preposition. Both sentences are correct. These two sentences are also correct. The difference is the using a preposition between these two objects. So by using this method, we can use preposition to or for accurately. To is used when we give something to someone, and for is used when we buy something for someone. Thank you so much.